Well, hello there. I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making digestive biscuits and we're gonna add our own touch to it with a little bit of chocolate because, yeah, why not? So let's start.
For these cookies we need to add some whole wheat flour, baking powder and salt. Stir to combine everything. Now add your cubed butter. And with your fingers, push the flour into the butter until you made some edible sand. Now add your milk. And make a ball out of it. If it's too wet, add some flour, and if it's too crumbly, add some milk. Flour your work surface and roll out the dough a bit more than half a centimeter or 1/8 inch thick. If you don't have a round cookie cutter like I have, you can just use a glass or something else that's round. Cut out circles and put on a baking sheet with parchment paper. With a fork, prick some holes into each cookie. Before baking, make sure to cool the cookies for 10 minutes in the fridge. Bake into a 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes until pale and golden. Allow to cool on a wire rack. Since someone around here ate all the milk chocolate, I use some dark and white chocolate. It will work just as well. Use whatever you have available. Melt the chocolate over some hot water. Dip your cookies top side up in the chocolate and let the chocolate get hard.
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Like and subscribe to my channel and let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.